Welcome to this tutorial on invoice processing with Textract using Mantium AI Builder. So you can perform invoice processing and automate the whole workflow process by extracting text information from images and PDF information using Textract, which is an AWS machine learning services. And you can use Mantium AI Builder, the Mantium AI Builder No-Code Platform, to automate this and build that AI application. Before I show you the demo on how to build this, let me provide an explanation where we'll talk about the prompt structure and how it feeds to Textract, and you can use that to build your AI applications. So you have your prompt structure. The first thing is describing the task, and then you provide example of the invoice summary. So it contains information like the invoice information, the prices, due date, and all that, and then the corresponding summary that you'd like to generate from an invoice. And you can provide more examples. Usually you can give up to 5 examples in a few short learning approach. If you don't understand this, I'll link a video at the end of this video, or you can click on top to watch more of our tutorials or we'll provide more information on how to build AI applications and doing prompt engineering. So the next thing is you want to feed the input, and this is your prompt. So this prompt with Textract, you can extract text information from another invoice, and you can connect that to your input and then feed everything to your language model, which is the generative pre-trained language model that you can have access to in the Mantium AI Builder, and create your prompt, which then you can use that to get the invoice summary for your new invoice, which you've extracted the information using Textract. So this workflow, you can easily build that with what we call the Mantium AI Builder, which is our new application that we've created a beta access for, and you can sign up on that to get access. So let me show you a demo, and you can understand how to build invoice processing text application with Textract using the Mantium AI Builder. So you have your invoice here, and this is what we'll extract text information for. So let's create the AI Builder. So on the AI Builder application, the first thing is give your app a name. So I call this summarize extracted information from Textract. And the next thing to do is select an integration block that lets you input from your deploy application, where you can feed your input and you can feed that to the Textract. So this just means that you can extract text information with Textract, and you can use the AI execution block to execute the prompt. So this is where you execute your invoice processing prompt, and that leads and gets connected to your output to deploy application. So what is happening here is that we've extracted text information from the invoice that I showed you at the beginning of the demo, and then we can connect that to execute AI, which we are going to execute the invoice processing prompt, and we can get the result by sending the output to the single page web application that Mantium provides for you. So let's see how this works by activating our application. So when you activate, you get a single web application that you can execute and then get the summary of the invoice. So what you can see here is the invoice summary, and we have the due date as well as the total sum of the services. So this is what we've extracted from this image. We extracted the total and then the due date information. So you can use this to automate your workflow and then process a lot of information using this workflow on Mantium. So if you'd like to use Textract to build your AI application, sign up for better access using the link as shown. I'll also leave the link in the description below so you can access that, and you can easily build AI applications using the Mantium AI Builder. So thank you for watching this demo. If you have any question, if you need any help, scan this barcode and join our Discord community, where we'll be happy to help you out.